Welcome to the Tesco Specialty Vehicle Walkthrough and Quick Start Guide for Indiana Recovery Alliance. This video will cover the warranty and general operation of the vehicle. This vehicle carries a factory Ford warranty of 3 years or 36,000 miles. It has a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Specialty components are covered for 2 years with unlimited mileage. The Dometic overhead air conditioner has a 2-year warranty administered by Dometic. The Cummins generator carries a 2-year, 2,000-hour warranty through the Cummins network. Braun Ability warranties the wheelchair lift for 3 years covering parts and labor. See your provided documents for further information on warranties. To start a warranty claim or receive technical assistance, visit tescosv.com. Email us at tsvsupport@tescobus.com. or call us at 855-376-9797. This guide is not intended to take place of the original equipment manufacturer's owner's manual. For complete information on operations, safety, and maintenance, refer to the manufacturer manuals. Tesco will not be held liable for improper use or maintenance of the vehicle or its components. This is the battery disconnect switch. The battery cutoff switch will disconnect the Clinic accessories from the battery when in the off position. This is to save the batteries from going dead when not in use. Turning on the switch should be the first thing you do when you arrive at the clinic. All 12-volt accessories get power from this switch. Make sure to turn the switch off when the vehicle is no longer in use for the day. The shore power connection allows the vehicle to use power from a building or power station. Your vehicle is shipped with a 25-foot shore power cable to connect to an approved receptacle. Simply plug the cable into the connector and tighten the lock ring. The vehicle's power system will automatically be activated. Never turn on the generator while the vehicle is on shore power. Damage will occur. The generator is accessed by the generator door. Open the door and lock in the up position. Remove the cover by turning both knobs counterclockwise. Refer to the generator guide for specific generator information. The battery compartment houses 2 batteries that power both the Clinic and the chassis. They are accessed from the compartment door and can be pulled out for easy access. Do not jump-start the vehicle from here. Use the connections under the hood if ever needed. The vehicle's gas cap is located on the driver's side. It uses the same key as the other exterior cabinets. The generator also uses the same fuel tank. Behind the rear tires is a storage compartment. Use caution with the items you choose to store here. The cabinet is not watertight. On the back of the vehicle, there is a rear-view camera. Make sure it's clean for the best view from the driver's seat. Be mindful when parking if you plan on using the wheelchair lift. It does require a significant amount of room for safe use. For step-by-step instructions on its use, please see the wheelchair lift training module. This is the fresh water filling cap. Unscrew the cap and fill with fresh water from a clean source. It is okay to fill until water runs over. Make sure to replace the cap to keep debris out of the tank. This is the hose carrier assembly. Turn the cap counterclockwise to loosen and remove the cap. Inside is the hose that attaches to the drain assembly. Once you are finished with the hose, place it back in the carrier and resecure the cap. The first step in draining the black tank is to remove the cap from the valve by rotating it counterclockwise. Then you will attach the drain tube that was located in the carrier assembly. Make sure to check that it is fully seated, then pull the drain handle. Once the tank is empty, close the valve, remove the hose, and resecure the cap. This keyed switch allows you to control the bus doors from the outside of the vehicle, counterclockwise to open and clockwise to close. The battery switch must be in the on position. This compartment houses the inverter, 12-volt fuses, and other connections. This compartment houses the 120-volt breaker box. From here you can reset breakers for all the 120-volt components. From the genset panel, you can control the generator. To start the generator, simply press and hold the prime switch until the light on the switch stays solid. Once solid, the generator is ready to start. You will then press and hold the start button. The light will flash while attempting to start. The light will turn solid once the generator is running. If the generator doesn't start after a few seconds, wait approximately 30 seconds and try again. Note that the generator will not run with less than 1/4 of a tank of fuel. To turn the inverter on, press and hold the on/off button until the power light illuminates. The inverter powers the refrigerator. To turn off, press and hold the on/off button until the light turns off. The inverter runs off the vehicle's battery, so it doesn't need the vehicle to be running or the generator running. It does consume battery power quickly, so you won't want to run it for long without charging the batteries from the generator or alternator. The Dometic air conditioner is controlled from this thermostat. Press the mode button until the snowflake icon is displayed. Then adjust temperature to your desired level. To turn off, press the mode button until off is displayed. Note that the thermostat has a furnace function, but the overhead air conditioning unit does not. The overhead vent fan can be utilized to exhaust air or intake fresh air. First, open the vent by rotating the knob counterclockwise. You can adjust fan speed and direction with the two switches. Make sure to close the vent when not in use. It is not watertight when open. The wall heater uses a simple rotary knob to control temperature. Rotate clockwise for high temperatures and counterclockwise all the way to turn off. Make sure heaters are not running when the air conditioning is. From the sea level monitor, you can turn on the water pump by moving the pump switch in the up direction. The water pump has a pressure sensor that will only run when the water pressure drops from a faucet being opened or a toilet flushed. The pump will run continuously and there is air in the lines, the tank is empty, or a leak has developed. To purge air from the lines, run faucets and toilets until a steady stream of water is present. From here you can also check battery levels, fresh water levels, and black tank levels. The battery displays voltage, while the water tanks are displayed as a percentage of full. The bus style doors can be controlled from 3 different locations, one being the switch on the wall next to the bus door. The second way is from the overhead switch panel by the driver's seat. The third is from the outside switch previously discussed. This door also has an emergency exit function. To open the door in an emergency, pull the red handle and push the doors open. To resecure the doors, pull the doors shut. Push the red handle back toward the wall. Test the door function. If the door fails to work, retry these steps with someone on the outside of the vehicle holding the doors closed. Your vehicle is equipped with an optional awning that includes LED lights. To extend the awning, simply press and hold the out button. The awning will continue to extend as you hold the button. To retract, press and hold the in button. Hold the button down until the awning has fully retracted. The LED lights are controlled by the on and off switch. Don't use the awning on windy days as damage can occur. Thank you for joining us on the basic operation of your specialty vehicle. Make sure you view the other videos for an in-depth look at electrical systems, the Braun Ability wheelchair lift, and the Cummins generator.